Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Florence and I'm so excited to be shooting this video. It's an unboxing video. It's been so long since I did one of these. So I bought a few items from Zalando, which gives you the possibility to shop from so many brands. I didn't buy so many items, they're just 5, but they're really important pieces that I need for winter. It's getting cold and we need to be ready for winter. So let's get surprised together. Let's open up the box. I remember this. It's a green sweater dress and whoa, I love it. I loved it so much on the model, so I hope it looks as good on me. Okay, let's try it on. I love it. I love it so much. Oh, look at the neck. Look at my neck. Look at my neck. Hi. I love it. You can fold the neck. It keeps me so warm. I mean, it's so soft and it's long enough. I can put on a belt. I mean, I'm already warm. Oh my god, I love the color. It's so good, exactly as the picture, and it's a size S. Let's open up the Zalando box and see what's in here. I'm so excited. Yay! Oh, okay. Gracias. Tak. Kiddos. Danke. Bedankt. Merci. Grazie. J'aime. I guess so. Another sweater dress. You know, I'm obsessed with neutrals. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. And then we have some extras. What is this? Oh, I got a little satin dress. And then we have, I bought a coat. I love this color. It is so beautiful on the model. I hope it looks as good on me. Okay, so it's from Only. And the dress is from Mango. Also, I bought a pair of shoes, naked. Ooh, I bought some ankle boots. Damn, look at that heel. I love it. Oh my god, I hope they fit right. I'm a 39. I've never had any problems buying shoes online, so I hope this is not a fuss. Okay, I'm crossing my fingers because the shoes look so beautiful. Okay, let's get on to trying them. Let's start off with a sweater dress from Mango. It is so beautiful. I love the color. You know, I'm obsessed with neutral colors, and yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna wear some stockings underneath to keep me warm, and this I'm gonna put a belt over it. Seriously, I really do love it. Mango, you have really cool items and great quality, so yeah, I'm not disappointed. I'm so happy. Now I'm gonna try on the coat. Here's the coat. Whoa, look at that color. Isn't it so beautiful? good. It's so beautiful. I love it so much. It's from Only. It's so soft. Oh my god, it's so soft. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. So, oh my god, I'm gonna wear it now. Alright, I love this dress so much, but so much. You know, I can always find a way to wear it. Okay, so here are the booties. The booties from Naked. I love that they're pointed. And I love the heel. I just wanna show you how much I appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Love you.